Good morning, I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview, where it's all about uncomplicated investment, great data, and all the trades you'll ever need. And remember, everything's free. So let's get started.
Good morning, today is May 7th, 2019. Looking for other ways to play pullback in stocks, as rising tensions between the US and China have risen, ahead of Chinese Premier Liu's visit to the US later this week. Yesterday I talked about Alibaba and BZUN. Today I'm looking at ETFs, specifically the Invesco Tech ETF, ticker CQQQ. It currently has a buy trading signal for us. I'm shocked how cheap implied volatility is for the Ishares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF, ticker TLT. We're looking for ways to see if there are any interesting put spreads we can uncover. This is definitely a trade you should be following up with us over the next day or so. Now let me tell you about some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. The Wall Street Journal reports that Google may introduce tools to limit tracking cookies for its Chrome browser at its developers conference next week. The tools will limit cookies from third-party profit-seeking companies. Importantly, the tools are not expected to hinder Google's ability to collect user data. Anadarko Petroleum announced yesterday that the offer from Occidental Petroleum is superior to the one it's received from Chevron. Anadarko said it informed Chevron that the $33 billion deal agreed to is terminated. Chevron now has 4 days to make a counteroffer, and if it does not make one, Anadarko will owe Chevron $1 billion breakup fee. Occidental removed the need for a shareholder vote, and this was one of the impetuses to get this deal going. This is definitely one to follow, and the drama is only starting here. And finally, Tyson Foods says it will introduce meatless protein product through 2019 as it looks to take on Beyond Meat. Tyson held a 6.5% stake in Beyond Meat and unloaded the shares just before its IPO last week, missing out on the 163% run-up and on its first day of trading. Tyson will introduce its meatless products on a limited basis in mid-2019, with a more complete rollout later in the year.
I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, or send us an email. Tell us what you think about the Global AM Markets Preview and what else you'd like us to include. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Global AM Markets Preview here at Quantamize.